Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to replace a knock sensor on any K20, K24 engine. So as you can see here, you can see this is the engine bay of the vehicle, and you have to go underneath the intake manifold to get access to the knock sensor. Connectors, just get as much as you can out of the way. You want to start by removing the wiring loom and clearing off the area. And as you'll see later on in the video, these sensors do get quite fragile, so they do tend to break. Hence the reason why I have to replace it on this particular one. As I was just telling you before, be careful of the knock sensor. Well, you just saw it broke there. You can't help it because it gets brittle over time. So if you actually look at the plastic here, it was already brittle. So it's just one of those things. Due to vibrations and heat, it does get a bit old, so this has to be replaced now anyway. So using a 24mm socket, you can actually use that and a short 1/4 inch extension and a short extension. So that's what the knock sensor looks like. So that's where you mount it, on the front of the block, just near the starter motor. And this is the plug that's been disconnected. So you go in there, screw it in, and torque it down to 31 Newton meters. So just when you slot your deep socket in, make sure you don't twist it up or down because you can break the sensor. Keep it straight at all times. Now that we got that torque down, just take this plug, just a single wire plug, and pop it in there. If you don't want to go for these factory type replacements, you can get the metal bodied K20 sensors. So now that's done, we'll go ahead and start it and try it out. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you're enjoying this new series. There's more videos to come, so stay tuned.